All right, guys. Gold Rush mini helmet. Let's get it on. Appreciate each one of you guys. One helmet, 32 teams. I know everybody knows because they read the item description, so they know there's. You guys all know there's just one mini helmet, so I don't got to worry about that. All Irish, Colts, Rams, Bingo Nut, Texans, Giants, Jets, Steelers, Bucks, Titans, Redskins. Appreciate you guys having you guys. BLT, Browns. Welcome, BLT. Any questions, let me know. Sea Bear, welcome back, Bears. Delvey, 111, Falcons. Let me know if you have any questions. Appreciate you joining. Jay Bradshaw, welcome back, boss. Panthers, Packers, Yags. Appreciate you. Justin, Raiders, Patriots. Appreciate you. Kevin O, Ravens, Vikes. We don't know if Kevin's real, but we appreciate you. Just kidding. Let It Rain, welcome back. Hit one he had a nice mini helmet a couple days ago. Cardinals, Bengals, Cowboys, Broncos, Lions, Niners, Nick, Chargers. Say hi to Kim for us. Pals, 3146, welcome. Any questions, let me know. Chiefs, Eagles, again, one mini helmet, 32 teams. Richard, what's up, boss? Bills. Sharky, welcome back. Dolphin Sage, Zorn, welcome. Seahawks. All right. All right, sealed up, and sealed up. Let's get it on. Fly, Eagles, fly. Fly, Eagles, fly for the Eagles. It is on a slate. It's the Sean Jackson. That is really nice. The Sean Jackson for your Eagles. Eagles, Eagles, Eagles. Deshaun Jackson. That is 4W263528. Deshaun Jackson for the Eagles. Congrats, Philly. Pal, 3146. Congrats to you. I think that was it the only spot you got. Nice snag there for the Eagles. One spot gang. Is that one of you guys? Congrats on the Sean Jackson, guys. Make sure, if you have not, make sure you join the Facebook group. We got a lot more breaks coming up, so stay tuned. Make sure you smash that like button. Smash. All right, guys. Appreciate it. Stay tuned. More breaks coming up.